Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we are going to be simplifying a radical. We have the square root of 50, and when we simplify any radical, we are going to make a factor tree. So we're going to start with any two numbers that multiply to what's inside the radical, in this case 50. So I'm going to start with 5 and 10, and then you're going to break down any number that you can to any prime numbers. So 5 and 10 can go down to 5 and 2. When we simplify radicals, we always need a partner in crime because the radical is our, air quote, jail cell. So we're trying to see any pairs of numbers from those roots that can escape or go out front. So we have a pair of 5, so 5 is going to go out front. And then anyone with no partners, they get to stay inside of our radical jail. So in this case, we have 2, and 2 is going to stay inside of our radical. We have 5 square root of 2, and that is our answer. When we have our radicals, we can always check our answer because remember, we are just changing what the number looks like. We're not changing its actual value. So square root of 50, if we plug it into our calculator, we're going to get 1 decimal. And if we plug in 5 square root of 2, we should get that same decimal. So if we plug in square root of 50 in your scientific calculator, you should get about 7.07 and some other decimals. And then if we plug in 5 times the square root of 2, you are going to get that exact same decimal. And that's what you want. If you don't get the same decimal, then we might have simplified wrong. Easy way to check. And I'm your sneaker teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.